Hi, hello and welcome back to my channel Div's Home Studio. I hope you all are doing well, and in today's video I am going to discuss about a topic which is most requested on my channel, and of course this is going to be quite different from my usual videos. Yes, this is going to be the lip care routine. So most of us don't know how to really have a very plumpy, juicy, soft and supple lips. So here I have a solution for you. Okay, before starting off with any kind of routine, you need to analyze what you really and what exactly you need. Only then you can actually concentrate on that area and get a real solution. Why it's very important to analyze and then get to a conclusion or a decision to what to use and what not to use, or you have been doing all this wrong or you have been doing right, and only then you will get to know what you exactly have to do. So we'll get on to the lip care routine 101, and today we are just going to give that briefing, and we're going to start off with the lip care routine. So I would be taking it into episodes so that you can get to know more on each episode of the lip care routine. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I upload videos on makeup, skincare, hair care and lots more. And to be interesting, we have a lot of series coming up this month, so don't ever miss it. And if you have already subscribed, thanks a lot. Give that big thumbs up if you like my videos. Stay tuned for all those upcoming videos, and without any further delay, let's get started. So everyone, have you ever wondered that why do you have a chapped and a cracked lips? And if you have seen some celebrities having a very juicy, plumpy, healthy, soft and supple lips, but why don't we have? Yes, you also can have it. There's nothing like you cannot have it, or you don't know how to do it. Here's the solution, and watch the video until the end to get all the tips and tricks to keep those lips and ready for the pout. Okay, likewise your hair, your skin, lip also needs a care. You cannot have a very good lips without any care. You start off with the skin, lip care routine. You obviously will follow the place and do it regularly to get that real perfect lips for that everyday, whether you're just a tinted lip balm person or a perfect lip person, no matter what, but follow the routine. Okay, maybe you have even thought that my skin is so oily, and why my lips are so dry. Have you ever wondered? Yes, lips actually it can differ from your skin type, because there's no connection between the skin and the lips. Lips is something which does not have any kind of pores in it, so it cannot secrete any oil or sweat or nothing. So that's why there's a riddle. Actually, there's a place in your body that doesn't sweat. It's actually your lips. So if you have wondered why, because there's no pores on your lips, so it cannot produce oil or sebum to your lips to keep it itself moisturized like our scalp and like our skin. So we need to give an external care for it. So I will tell you the do's and don'ts first, so that you can get to actual lip care routine. So let me start off with the don'ts first, and let's get started. Okay, first in don'ts is that you should not lick your lips. Okay, and if you're biting your lips like this, and don't do that. This is the first don't in your lip care routine. So if you want a very nice looking, hydrated, juicy and soft, supple lips, never lick your lips or never bite your lips. Okay, so maybe you can think that licking your lips like this can keep the lips moisturized. No, it will lead to a lot of infection as well as dryness. So you can get inflammation around your lips or in the corners. So it is a must that you never ever lick your lips. Likewise, our face, we need to exfoliate our lips also. Why? Because there can be dead skin cells that actually can give a build-up, or it can make your lips more dry and flaky. So you need to remove the dead skin cells on your lips. So you need to exfoliate weekly twice. So that's recommended. Maybe weekly once also will do, but not every day. You should never overdo on any of the skincare routines. Maybe it's skin, maybe it's lip or whatever. Never overdo. Just you need to exfoliate weekly twice or maybe once, and never do it every day. Never exfoliate your skin every day. Okay, you should always look out for the ingredients on your lip balm, that you do not have like too much of irritant kind of bleaching and irritant ingredients in your ingredient list in the products you use. Like for example, you cannot use menthol, you cannot use peppermint oil, you cannot use lanolin, you cannot use lemon. Indeed, do not use. It's a bleaching agent and it can cause damage to your lips. And do not use, you cannot use cinnamon, and as well as do not use products with too much of fragrance. It's not advisable to use it on your lips. So these are the don't use it on your lips. Okay, let's get down to the dose of the lip care routine. Okay, first of all, you always have to exfoliate your lips. It's very important. You can think that why should we ever actually have to exfoliate the lips? So lips actually have the dead skin cells on them, so on the surface of the lips. So it is very important that you exfoliate your lips, and exfoliate your lips with a very mild exfoliant. I will suggest you what are the DIYs as well as the store-bought products which can be used to exfoliate your lips today. Okay, so do's is, first you have to exfoliate your lips weekly once or twice. So moving on to the next portion, that is you have to stay hydrated. Hydrated in the sense you have to drink more water, which is actually sufficient for your body, or else it can make your lips appear more dry, more dehydrated, and you can keep that very pale look. Intake of water is very important to show a healthy glowy lip, so always stay hydrated. Then moving on to the third step, you have to always moisturize your lips. Don't use the moisturizer which we use it on the face because it's too creamy. Better to use a perfect lip balm for for moisturizing your lips. When you are going out without any lipstick on your lips, then it is must that you apply SPF lip balm, so that your UV rays does not affect your lips. So it can tend to aging and lot of other processes, like the lips pigmentation can be changed. Like you can have the pigmentation on your lips due to exposure to sun, and then you can have like the texture of the lips can change due to the heavy exposure to the sunlight. So it is important that you apply a lip balm which has SPF in it when you are going only with the lip balm. If you are applying lipstick, that is alright, because you're going to cover your lips with a thick kind of formula, so it is going to secure your lips from the direct UV rays. So that is must. So these are the 4 things that is very important. You see that if you take care in your lip care routine, it is very important. So I think in today's video we will end here, and from the next episode we'll get on to like what you have to use for exfoliation, to what you have to use to moisturize your lips, and I will give you all both like DIY as well as a product recommendation, because few people don't really like to use too many products in their skincare or lip care routine. I personally accept that, and I do agree with that, and have soft juicy lips just with a few ingredients at home. I'll surely let you guys know in the future videos of the lip care routine 101, like what type of DIYs can keep your lips hydrated, soft, supple and juicy. So now I think it would have been very clear for you to what to do and what not to do in your lip care routine. So from our next episode onwards, we will talk in detail like what type of moisturizers or what type of lip balms, what are the ingredients must, what are the ingredients should not be there, and how to exfoliate, with what you can exfoliate, and all these things in the upcoming episodes of Lip Care Routine 101. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It matters a lot to me because I do take a lot of time and research on products and the remedies to get to solve all of the concerns of skincare and hair care and lots more. So give that big thumbs up if you like my videos, and don't ever forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope this information must have been useful for you if you were wondering how to keep your lips soft, supple and ready for the pout. And yes, you have to watch the coming up episodes to know more on the Lip Care Routine 101. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Until next time, it's Divya signing off.